Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best coffee maker cleaners and Descalers on Amazon. Give it a like and stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend as the best. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. The third position goes to Coffee Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets Active Store. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Coffee Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablet from Active Store are designed to remove limescale and mineral buildup, keeping your coffee maker or espresso machine running smoothly and maintaining consistent brewing performance. The tablets are easy to use. Simply dissolve in the water reservoir and run a descaling cycle, and the pack of 24 provides enough for regular maintenance. They are compatible with most coffee machines, including single-serve, drip, and espresso models. Buying this product is important because regular descaling prevents scale buildup that can affect machine performance and coffee taste. The tablet format is convenient, mess-free, and encourages consistent maintenance, helping extend the life of your coffee equipment while ensuring better tasting coffee. Number 2 is Coffee Maker Cleaner and Descaler Tablets Freshero Store. The Coffee Maker Cleaner and Descaler Tablets from Freshero Store remove limescale, mineral buildup, and coffee residue from your coffee machine, helping maintain consistent water flow and stable brewing performance. The pack of 24 tablets is compatible with most coffee makers, including single-serve, pod, drip, and espresso machines, making it convenient for regular maintenance and long-term use. Buying this product is important because regular descaling preserves the taste and aroma of your coffee and extends the life of your machine by keeping internal parts clean and efficient. The tablet format is simple and mess-free, encouraging consistent maintenance and protecting your coffee equipment while ensuring better quality coffee over time. And the first position goes to a Fresh Coffee Maker Cleaner from Multi-Cup Drip. The Fresh Coffee Maker Cleaner from Multi-Cup Drip machines is specifically formulated to remove hard water deposits, mineral buildup, and coffee residue that accumulate inside your coffee maker over time. These tablets dissolve quickly in the water reservoir, making the cleaning process simple and convenient without the need for mixing, measuring, or scrubbing. They are compatible with most multi-cup drip coffee makers and some single-serve machines, allowing for thorough cleaning of internal components, including water lines and brewing chambers, which helps maintain consistent brewing performance, stable temperature, and optimal coffee flavor. Using these tablets regularly also prevents unpleasant odors and residue that can affect the taste of your coffee. Purchasing this product is important because regular cleaning preserves the lifespan and efficiency of your coffee maker, reducing the risk of malfunctions caused by scale and buildup. The tablet format is mess-free and easy to use, encouraging routine maintenance without complicated steps, which saves time and ensures your machine operates at its best. By keeping your coffee maker clean, you can enjoy consistently better tasting coffee, protect your investment in your equipment, and avoid costly repairs or replacements in the long term. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 coffee maker cleaners and Descalers that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description and the first comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.